Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let me help you how to activate your Barclay credit card. So first of all, you need to go to this website right here which says the barclaycardus.com/servicing/activate, and it will redirect you to this page right here. So as you can see, if you already have a Barclays online account, then you can press the login link right here to activate your card even faster. But if you don't have, and this is your first time to activate your card, then you just need to input your card number, security code, and as well as the last four digits of the SSN or the ITIN of which one did you choose. So just press activate, and from that, this website right here will activate your card and will safely ready to use.